Hey everybody! In this video I'm painting the roof pieces of the Spring Run kit. I'm using white satin latex paint for the interior side and I'll paint it 2 coats. I'm not planning to put shingles on this roof, so I'm painting the back side black. I'm using a small paintbrush only because I have better control over it than a larger brush. You could also use a foam brush or a small paint roller for these surfaces. And of course, now is the time to paint before installing the roof. I'm not sure yet if I'll put trim on the edge of these pieces, so I'm just going to paint it black for now. Here I'm using a damp rag to wipe off the black paint that went onto the white part. I'll be painting a second coat, so I'm sanding in between using 150 grit sandpaper. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so you'll know when I post again. Thank you for watching.